ATV User Guide. So, how do you start your ATV? Turn on the ignition by turning the key to the on position. If you turn it further, ignition will be turned off. The ignition switch has 3 positions, 2 ignition off and 1 ignition on. Push the fuel pump switch to on. You can find it on the left side of the handlebar. Shift the gear into neutral position by pushing down the brake pedal and moving the gear knob. Push the green engine start button on the left side of the handlebar. You can turn off the engine by turning off the fuel pump or turning the ignition key to the off position. Shifting from neutral. To shift from neutral, you have to push down the brake pedal and move the gear knob to high gear or low gear, which is used for towing or any other utility work. Before you start moving, gently push the accelerator lever to make sure that the gear is in position. After that, you can begin your journey. Things you need to check before every ride: the coolant level, front and rear brake fluid level, engine oil level, gearbox oil level. Also check for loose wheel bolts, tire pressure, air filter condition, excessive play in the ball joints, or tight rod ends. Check the brake lever and the pedal. If any of them feel soft, it's not recommended to use your vehicle until it's checked by a certified mechanic. We're going to turn on 4-wheel drive mode. The ATV must be stopped to switch to 4-wheel drive. Start moving slowly so the gears finish to engage. All CFMOTO ATVs have a winch, so how should you use it? Well, there's a button on the handlebar. If you push out, the winch winds the cable outwards. If you push it in, it winds the cable inwards. You can turn the winch to free spool by turning the lever on the winch and pulling the cable. To use your winch again, turn the lever to the engaged position and pull on the cable so the gears are fully engaged. When winding in the cable, always keep some tension. When winching, always try to accelerate so the battery is being charged. Let the winch cool down after using it for 15 minutes. You can lock your ATV in parked position by using the second key provided. Shift to park and turn the key in the lock by the gear lever. To start riding, unlock the gear. If you ride in severe conditions like mud, take care of your ATV. Buy a grease gun and grease the bushings after every ride. This is how you adjust the shock. The lower knob is used to adjust the rebound. The shock returns faster or slower after it's fully compressed. The upper knob is used to adjust stiffness. Slow means stiff, fast means soft. By adjusting the preload, you can regulate the ATV's clearance and stiffness. This is how you drive onto a trailer. Put your ATV in low gear, turn on the 4-wheel drive, and slowly drive onto the trailer. Please be safe and responsible when driving your ATV. Do not drive in prohibited or protected areas, and always obey traffic rules. Have a great ride.